Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Danby DDW631SDB and the SPT SD-9263SS. In this video, we'll delve into their features, performance, and overall value so you can make an informed decision for your kitchen. We'll cover three main areas: capacity, price, and water consumption. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Danby DDW631SDB can accommodate 6 place settings, making it ideal for small households or individuals. In contrast, the SPT SD-9263SS offers a larger capacity of 8 place settings, which is better suited for families or those who frequently entertain guests. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your dishwashing efficiency, especially if you often have larger loads to clean. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Danby DDW631SDB is priced at $469, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for an efficient dishwasher without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the SPT SD-9263SS comes with a higher price tag of $927, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and needs, this price difference could be a deciding factor. Water consumption is an important consideration for environmentally conscious consumers. The Danby model uses only 3.1 gallons of water per wash, making it an excellent choice for those looking to conserve water. In comparison, the SPT model uses 5 gallons per wash. While this is still efficient for a portable dishwasher, it does mean that the Danby has the edge when it comes to water savings. In conclusion, both the Danby DDW631SDB and the SPT SD-9263SS have their strengths and weaknesses. The Danby is perfect for those with limited space and a tighter budget, while the SPT offers greater capacity and performance for larger households. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.